Budgeting feels like punishment, not progress. If yours keeps failing, you are not alone, and you can fix it in a few smart steps. In this video, I'll show 7 practical fixes you can apply this week to stop leaks, cut wasteful spend, and finally get your budget to work for you, not against you. Few smart steps. Fix 1. Review and simplify your categories. Most budgets fail because they have too many tiny categories. Combine similar items into 3 to 5 practical buckets: essentials, fixed bills, groceries, transport, and fun. Simplifying reduces decision fatigue and makes tracking realistic. Fix 2. Make spending realistic. If you set fantasy limits, you will bail out. Pull 3 months of bank and card statements. Calculate average spend per category. Then set targets based on real numbers, not hope. Fix 3. Track for 30 days. Instead of promising lifelong perfection, commit to tracking every expense for 1 month. That gives actionable data and small wins. Use a simple app or a sheet and log every purchase. Fix 4. Curb emotional spending with a 24-hour rule. When tempted, wait 24 hours before buying non-essential items. Often the urge fades. For bigger buys, use a 7-day cool-off and compare reviews and prices. Fix 5. Automate. Move bills to autopay and automate a small transfer % of your income into a separate account the day you get paid. Automation prevents temptation and makes saving non-negotiable. Fix 6. Budget for fun. Cutting treats completely creates rebound spending. Create a fun fund for entertainment and guilt-free spending. Put a modest weekly or monthly allotment there and enjoy it intentionally. Fix 7. Build a tiny emergency buffer before aggressive goals. A small buffer of 1 to 2 weeks of essential spending reduces panic when unexpected costs come up. Once that's stable, scale your saving and debt payoff plans. Quick recap. Simplify categories. Use real numbers. Track for 30 days. Apply the 24-hour rule. Automate bills and savings. Keep a fun fund. And start with a tiny emergency buffer. Together, these 7 steps stop leaks and build momentum. Start this 7-day challenge. Day 1. Review categories. Day 2. Gather 3 months of statements. Day 3. Start 30-day tracking. Day 4. Implement the 24-hour rule. Day 5. Set automation. Day 6. Create a fun fund. Day 7. Set a tiny buffer. Post one result in the comments. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for weekly videos on simple money fixes. Comment budgeting, so I will share a free 1-page budgeting template to get started today with Richer Guide. Thank you.